Hello everyone. Today we are here for 4th May pre-market report. So there is an important announcement to notice on the Fed rate. So please have this video completely watched for more trade setup. So let's have a detailed look on this. Previous day result summary. Titan, Havels, Tata Chemicals. Titan has posted a very good results on against the forecast. 3065 was their forecast and they have achieved 3274. And last year number also 2198 and they have grown by 3274, almost 49% they have grown. Only thing is negative what we are seeing is they have posted 913 was the last quarter and this quarter is 736. QOQ is only showing lesser. Otherwise they have grown a much better than last year. 2198 against 3274. So this might impact temporarily on the QOQ degrowth in the market. After that, it will go on to the next level, might make the higher highs. So this is one positive news. And coming back to Havels, yes, Havels compared to last year, they have shown little degrowth, but they have grown from QOQ. If you look after from June, they have grown, June to and September they have degrown, and again December they have grown, and they have outstanding grown in this March. So completely against this, if you look after entire year, they have grown by their forecast was 1066 and then 1072. They have grown, but they have not met the last year's number. It might impact in the market, or it might not make the new highs. It might travel within the same range. Have a look on this. Tata Chemicals, they have grown QOQ from 425 to 692 and forecast 2187. Against that forecast, they have met 2434. Last year number was 1405. They have grown by almost 73%. So in short, Tata Chemicals to look after, they might be showing a higher highs because they have grown by almost 73% in terms of net PAT. And also net PAT has grown. Titan also has grown by last year to this year. This also might give a higher highs for a temporary maybe setback due to QOQ numbers. But this might make the same range. Market should be in the same range or will be in the same range. So please make your trade setup accordingly as per your analysis as well. So this week, another results we are expecting Dabur results, major Dabur, Nifty 50, that is Hero MotoCorp, Tata Power, TVS Motor, Britannia. So most of them are FMCG and as well as two-wheeler and four-wheeler vehicles. So let's see how exactly it's weighting. So what we are expecting. Dabur has done 1,409 crore till date and they have to do 1,703. So 294 to go. Will they meet? There are possibility because they are seasoned by doing more than 400 crores. So definitely they should be able to meet this number, but they have to beat December number as well to show both QOQ and YOY. So let's aim at 478 number. If it is good on both, then there may be chances of market might make a higher highs. Coming back to Hero MotoCorp. Hero MotoCorp was slow from starting of the year from 586, 682, like that it was showing. So till date, they have achieved 1,989. They have to achieve 621. Yes, because they have already achieved 721. So 621 achievement might not be such a bigger task, but they will achieve it. But remember, they have to make more than 721 because it should achieve both YOY and QOQ growth. Then only the market makes a higher highs. And also market might jump. So let's see what's awaiting for us on a Hero MotoCorp today. Tata Power, it's again, if you see, it's growing. It's a EV segment. It is growing continuously from 884 to 935 and 1052. And they're yet to achieve only 632. Definitely looking at their forecast or looking at their achievement, definitely 632 is a cakewalk for them. So they will be making more than or meeting the number of forecast, whatever they have taken against that. But the problem is what you exactly have to look, they have to achieve more than 1052. That means QOQ number they have to beat to have the better visibility and makes a higher highs. So that's an important aspect where we are expecting Tata Power to achieve more than 1052. Then if that is the case, then it might make a higher highs. I know many of the people's, many of even my students are holding these stocks for a long time. So we'll see how exactly whether they'll be able to recover with these results or they will be again set back on the same ranges. Now coming back to TVS, yes, TVS what to expect? 274 crore they have to achieve. So with the run rate, if we see, definitely they can meet this 274 crore. So if they meet 274 crore, they will meet YOY QOQ number. Sorry, YOY number. If they want to beat QOQ number, then they have to beat this 304. So let's say I'm on 304 number. If they make 304 and as well as YOY and QOQ number beat, there may be chances of making higher highs. Coming back to Britannia, yes, Britannia, I think we are going to make one video on this Britannia because there is many gap ups has happened. Gap ups are also expected to fill after these results. So be careful on making a new higher highs, or if you are expecting a higher highs, there may be chances of making a delay or might take time to make a newer highs. Okay. Though it is like, QOQ number is 932 and 378 is to be achieved. So 378, definitely they will achieve looking at their number. But only thing is 932, they have to beat this number. If at all, if 932 is not beating, then remember, Britannia might make a lower lows. This is an indication that it might fill the gap. So be careful when we are making up positions on this. Britannia, wait for proper entry. Don't just buy at a higher price. Always remember, buying the prices at higher is have no meaning. If you are an investor, you have to choose the right point, the right entry point, and then make up right investment plans. Then you can wait for a long term. Okay. So for us to look after is 932 crore has to beat. If it beats, then definitely it might make a higher highs and it might not make a immediately lower lows as well. So today yesterday US policy and regulations has done. Fed rate raised its benchmark rate to roughly 5.1%, could further increase borrowing costs. What is this Fed rates? The Fed rate is always higher than the repo rate. Remember that Fed rate is always higher than the repo rate because there is no collateral backing federal funds borrowing, since these loans are unsecured. Okay, so don't compare this Fed rates with repo rate. The reason behind it, Fed rates go with a no collateral. Okay, repo rate comes with, okay, either banks will collateral or banks will deposit, fixed deposit, all these things will happen. Whereas Fed rate is no collateral. So that's why it is called as unsecured. Okay, that interest has increased almost around 5.1%. What happens if the Fed rate has increased? So if Fed rate has increased, that means loans will become expensive because it's a collateral free and also unsecured loan. So loans becomes expensive for both business owners and as well as consumers. So this might impact the market again. If the low Fed rate happens, yes, there is a less expensive for both consumers and as well as business owners. So it's important to monitor Fed rates. If Fed rate happens, then people will be having more money on the hand because if Fed rate decreases, people will be having more money because they are paying less interest. Yeah. If Fed rates are hike, then people will be having lesser money or less buying power. So with higher interest rates, there will be a lower demand for goods and services. This is what we were saying. The prices for those goods and services might fall. So this is the summary what you can take away from this US policy regulations. So 4th May events. So today we are expecting M3 money supply, and tomorrow foreign exchanges, bank loan growth, YOY, and deposit growth. Tomorrow we will give you the detailed update on this, what exactly is the details. So M1 money supply, that is current with public deposits, currency with public deposits. Currency with public holding plus deposits, that is current account and savings account. M2 is nothing but M1, that is currency with public plus deposits plus savings bank's deposit of post office savings bank. M1 plus M2 is equal to M3 will come, plus also it has a broader money, includes currency deposits with an agreed maturity up to 2 years. Deposits redeemable at notice of up to 3 months, and repurchase agreements, money market fund, share unit, debt securities up to 2 years. So in short, you can consider M3 is a broader money which also inclusive of M1 and M2. So it's a total money supply to the economy, that is called M3 money supply. That results we will see. Actual previous is 10%. What is that we are expecting? We'll see today. So it's my M3 money supply is releases. Today is bank expiry. Please have your analysis. Be careful because there will be expiry today and this week only 4 days. One day was a holiday during last week. So be careful. So global index performance, SGX Nifty is showing minus. Yesterday, though it has shown very minus or started with negative, but still Nifty almost recovered by 100 points. Let's see how exactly, because why exactly that is happening. Gold has almost increased by 600, 700 points since yesterday. That's an indicative of Nifty is coming down, following the market, and Fed rate has increased. Everything is connection. Please connect the dots. There may be chances of Nifty might be started indicating the negative direction, but still, let's have our position hedged. Though it is showing on upper higher highs, there is a blockage at the higher highs. So please be careful. It might be a resistance at the level of 18,200 to 300 levels. So after that, market might turn negative or it might break that if the really push is there. Let's have a watch. And global markets are showing negative. Dow Jones is more correlation with SGX Nifty and Nifty. So there is a chances that Nifty also might start with negative indication. Nasdaq minus 55, but there is no much correlation between Nasdaq and Nifty 50. You can have a detailed watch on global index, which we have posted in other videos. S&P 500, again, there is no much impact on Nifty, but still we have considered this as a reference. Okay. Nikkei as a 34 is a positive temporary impact on the Nifty 50, but not majorly. Crude oil will impact on Nifty 50 stocks as well, and which are dependent on the crude oil might impact, not majorly on Nifty 50. USD INR is more or less is flat, minus 0.06. Let's have a watch on this, how exactly it will. So Nifty 50, 18,089. Nifty key resistance, what we are seeing at 18,264. Key support at 17,914. Bank Nifty 43,312. Bank Nifty key resistance 43,862. Key support, what we are seeing at 42,762. So what we are looking at key support, it might happen because of US Fed rates and as well as global markets are being negative. There may be chances that it might come to the support level. Let's see if support bounce back and hits to the higher highs, or will it make a lower lows. Let's keep a market watch on this. So just for a change, we have put this on daily market update. Instead of weekly, we have put it as daily. So daily, it is showing tentatively the uptrend direction, but we are seeing from the long term, we are seeing this is a resistance. It has to break 18,500 levels to make this higher highs. Otherwise, market might start negative, but and also on a overall, if you see that it can make a double bottom as well. So you can expect anytime market to fall this range of channel as well. It might touch 17,000 to make a double bottom and bounce back also. So there is a possibility. Please have a detailed watch. Because of this, we have put the daily to have it more clarified answer or analysis for this on technicals. So top stocks to watch for the day. Titan, YOY has recorded a growth. QOQ recorded degrowth. Havells, both QOQ and YOY has recorded growth. But only thing is, the forecast they have met. But last year to this year, they have not met. Tata Chemicals, both QOQ and YOY has recorded a growth. Dabur results are expected today. Please have the position hedged if there is any volatility or anything. Hero MotoCorp results are expected today. Tata Power results are expected today. Britannia results are expected today. TVS Motors results are expected today. These four about the results, what to expect, what not to expect. Please have a first minute video so that you will get to know the complete update on this stocks as well. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe button for some more such regular updates. Thank you.